It's Nayalicious here again. Thank you so much for stopping by on my channel. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to use your rice cooker to prepare this yummy, delicious looking rice and beans with some carrot that is not going to be soggy nor mushy. You see how bright the color looks. But if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button to subscribe. It's not going to cost you anything. So here is the rice cooker. I'll go ahead and put this 1 cup of black-eyed beans that has been cleaned inside this rice cooker, and I will add hot water into it so that the beans will start cooking immediately. You can also boil the water in the rice cooker before adding the cup of beans, and I'll make sure that I put this rice cooker on cook. You can see the red light means cook, the green one means warm. So now it's on cook. We'll let this beans parboil for like 10 minutes. The beans has parboiled for 10 minutes already. You would notice that the water inside the beans has changed to brownish color, which I'm going to strain the water away and rinse the beans with clean water. Set it aside for the water to drain out of it. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of rice inside this rice cooker. You can use any rice of your choice. Foreign, local, basmati rice is up to you. I'll go ahead and add hot water inside the rice cooker. You can also boil the water in the cooker before adding the rice. Always remember that after adding the rice, you have to stir it together so that the rice would not stick together, even if you're using a pot. After stirring it together, I will cover it and let this rice parboil for 5 to 6 minutes. Adjust the cooker to cook. If you like my content and you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button to subscribe, and don't forget to on the notification bell so you would not miss any of my upload. After 6 good minutes, the rice has parboiled. Now you can see the rice, it's not quite half done. I'm going to take it off the cooker. Always use something. You can wear something in your hand or just use a kitchen towel to remove it. Stir it to check it before removing it. You see the rice is not quite done, but I'm going to transfer it to kitchen sink and rinse it very well with clean water. After rinsing the rice, I'll be adding the rice. The beans is already under it. I'll be adding the rice and beans. Now it's time for it to cook together because I'm sure they're gonna get done at the same time, even though I parboil them differently. You also need to know how many cups can your rice cooker take before using it. This one here can take more than 4 cups of rice. I'm just going to stir it together so that the rice and beans will balance well inside it. I always want the rice to be more than the beans. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt inside it, and I will go ahead and add water inside the rice cooker. I'm adding hot water, and the water should not be too much depending on how much you parboiled your rice before now, but I always want the water to be at the same level as the rice, not even a little bit above it. I always want it to be the same level, so that will make the rice not to be soggy. Now I'll cover it and adjust it to cook. Because I've been using this rice cooker for more than 5 years, I'm sure that water will get it done. And when it's done, it transfers to warm. That is when the water in the rice is dry. You see the yellow light has come up, which shows that the water in the rice is dry. That will keep it warm all day all long without not even burning. I'm sure the rice is done by now because the yellow light came up. So now I'm just going to stir it, check the rice. It's well done. I like the rice to be well done but not soggy or mushy. And let's check the beans to see how it is. Man, looking at it, it's already very soft. Depending on how much you want yours to be cooked, if you like yours to be overcooked, it's up to you, but I just like the rice to be singles. I just unplugged the rice cooker now, and I'll go ahead and transfer this rice into this tray. adding the rice and beans into the tray, you will see how singles they are. They didn't stick together or gum together. The beautiful thing about using a rice cooker is that you can just be cooking the rice on the cooker while you're multitasking on the stove with other cooking, and you're not going to panic whether the rice and beans is burning because the cooker will control it when it's done. I'm just adding the carrot into this rice and beans. I'm sure you may be wondering, why didn't I add the carrot on top of the rice cooker when the rice and beans was cooking? I didn't do that because I don't want the carrot to change the color of this rice and beans. And I'm sure you're loving how beautiful and colorful it's looking now. The carrot is fresh and crunchy, which is the way I want it to be. Don't forget that you have to parboil the beans longer than the rice. The 1 cup of beans was parboiled for 10 minutes and the 3 cups of rice was parboiled for 6 minutes. And after parboiling them both together, boil it together and let it cook for 15 minutes until the rice and beans is done. If you add too much water to your rice and beans, you may not get this result. It might turn to something like akamu. If you're enjoying this content and you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that red button to subscribe. I already prepared a delicious fresh turkey stew that I'm going to use to enjoy this balanced diet. This rice and beans is just so yummy, like deliciously made. Here is the turkey stew. I also have a video on how to prepare it. You can go ahead and watch it after watching this one. If you're someone that loves rice like I do, that means this native coconut jollof rice with native fowl, you're going to enjoy it. Just go through the videos and watch most of my interesting yummy recipes. Here comes the rice and beans with fresh turkey that you can always prepare for your family. This one is the jollof type. So yummy and deliciously made. And I've got how to prepare banga ofaku stew alongside with rice and beans with kidney beans on it also. Watch most of my videos and you'll be glad you did. I also have a video on how to make this native MTN jollof rice. Oh my god, I love rice so much. I don't know why. And I've got a normal coconut jollof rice. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I do love and appreciate your time. And I will see you on my next video. Much love, guys.